Welcome to Python programming, and in this particular video tutorial we are going to look at data types, and we shall start with the strings. So first things first, when you are developing a program, for instance here I have a simple program. You can collect a lot of data. For instance, this one here, it asks you to enter your first name. Let's say that is my first name, and we are printing out that first name which we have collected from the user. So as you can see, strings is one of those data types that we can collect from users. And another one, which one, if for instance a user can run this particular program, and you see if they come here and they key in 1402, still the program will accept that as a valid first name. As you can see now, we have different types of data categories we can collect from users. One of them, it is alphabets, which can be a single character, it can be one single letter, or it can be numerics, or it can be a mixture of both, whereby we have alphanumerics, also symbols included. So that now gives the rise to the concept of what we call data types in any programming language, because we are in a position to collect different data types. One of them I've mentioned, it is the alphabets. Then we have numerics. We can have alphanumerics, which are mixed with the symbols, letters, and the numerics together. Therefore, all these, when they are mixed, they form different data types. So different data types have different ways we can handle them in Python. So the way we can handle strings, it is different from the way we handle numbers. So those data types as we progress on, we shall see them. So one that I want us to look at, it is strings. So we define a string as a series of characters. For instance, here you can see this one of them is a string. That is a string. Though it is a sentence, it is considered a string. Anything in Python which is contained in single quotation marks or double quotation marks, it is considered to be a string. It doesn't matter whether it is a symbol or a letter or a word or a numeric, but or when it is within double quotation marks or single quotation marks, it is considered to be a string. So also the strings can be, you can contain both quotation marks within each other, but the thing is, if you begin with what we call for instance here, if I wanted to write a name, if I begin with a single quotation mark as my variable name, let it be within single. I cannot begin here with a double quotation mark, and if you try to run this program, as you can see, the text editor here already complains. So I have to end also here with the double quotation marks, and you can see the error has gone. But let me say that I wanted to write variable's name within that. There is no problem. That is allowed in Python. So let's see how to change the title case of a word or a sentence in Python. So let's start. If you want to capitalize each letter in the sentence, what you use, it is the title case. The first letter, it is going to be capitalized. So let us run this particular program, but before that, let us you write dot, then the word title. As you can see, we have this one here, so that is the one I've selected. So run the program. Here on the console, type the word Peter John and then press enter. As you can see here, we have entered everything in small letters, but as you can see, the word Peter starts with the capital P and John starts with the capital J. But let's say if you wanted everything to be in uppercase, that is I guess you guessed that. We have that one, control upper, then type the word Peter, John, then press enter. As you can see, each letter has been capitalized. Let's say that you turn on your caps lock, put your caps lock on, and let's say that we want to ensure that everything is in lowercase. So we have a function there called lower. Then save your program, run it. Then here I want you now, when you are typing, turn on your caps lock on, then type the word Peter, John, and press enter. As you can see, each letter has been changed to a small letter. So that is what I wanted us to look at this particular video tutorial. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share with your friends. Don't forget to hit that particular notification bell so that you can get notified when I release new video tutorials. Thanks for watching.